कैसे गिर गया? Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kritika. I hope you all are doing good. And if you are new to my channel, hi, I am Kritika. I make videos on DIY fashion photography. So, talking about this video will be based on rooftop photography and photo poses ideas. So, I decided to click pictures on my terrace and will share you some poses ideas that you can click on your terrace and everywhere. So, let's get started with the video. So, let me tell you one thing before starting the video. I clicked this picture during the pandemic when we could not go out of the house because of lockdown. And I think terrace is the best place to clicking picture. And when the sky is so beautiful, then how can I not agree to clicking picture? Because I am totally a sky lover. And you can see how beautiful the sky is that day. So now let's get into the video.
Down slowly, a little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so ready. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly, let me down. Find a way to let me down slowly, a little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so ready. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly, let me down. Down slowly, a little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so ready. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly, let me down. Find a way to let me down slowly.
So that's been my time. I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and do follow me on all my social links. Links are in description below. And until next time, bye bye.